Ruto kod ogai mar ODM Raila Odinga e riwo wi oganda jo Kenya kanyakla ka giloso Oltepesi e kaunti ma Narok e ka chung bura ma Narok East jod burago makono Laman Ken Aramat kod MCA ma Siro Sonko Olegeti nowacho magi e kinde mane gichiwo basaris mag somo kendo gikone riwruoge mag mine kod mag ojende ni mondo bed e yo makare ma siro sirikal lwedo e yore duto. Gikone gibiro siro sirikal kapo ni Raila kod Ruto biro loso riwruok ma gichopo godo e debe e yiero ma 2027.
Kwamba tuko bottom up na tuko katikati ya serikali ya muungano ya ODM na Kenya Kwanza. Rais wameshikana na baba. Na sisi tunataka peaceful country. Sisi tunasema nchi moja ya Kenya iwe moja. Kwa sababu hatuna taifa ingine, hakuna pahali tutakopa taifa ingine, na rais na baba wameshikana, na sasa tukielekea pande ile ingine ya 2027 hapo ndio tupo wote.
I will never allow any sort of division, any sort of bloodshed brought about by leaders who are clueless, who have no agenda, who are misusing the public resources, who are grabbing the people's land, as long as I'm the MC of this area. And I want to tell Governor Ndutu, you are elected by these people to represent them, to work for them. Tunataka kukuambia Mheshimiwa Ndutu, your days are numbered. Na 2027 hawa wananchi watakuonyesha